55 million euros, 2,300 square meters of living space, 1.4 hectares. You're not dreaming. This house is in France on the Côte d'Azur in Cannes with an incredible view of the bay, and I'm presenting it to you today. Let's go. If I'm here today, it's thanks to Propriété Le Figaro, who provided us with this magnificent property and connected us with Seaview Property, run by Patrice and Alexis, whom I am meeting today, and who will show us the house. Hi guys, how are you?
As
nice
you said, Nico, indeed it is you property. As the name suggests, we specialize in Seaview properties, so on the Côte d'Azur between Saint-Tropez and Monaco. And today, Ben, you have the chance to be introduced to this sublime villa with truly unique architecture and a breathtaking sea view. I think this villa will surprise you. It is full of wonderful surprises.
We find ourselves here at the main entrance of the house, where we can already accommodate the first batch of cars. There is a second garage with 15 spaces located below, but that's not what interests me today. And we find ourselves in the main entrance of the house with a superb tiled floor with small touches of blue that echo the wall at the back. A very beautiful reinforced door to start. It should be noted that in the house, all the doors and all the sliding glass doors are reinforced. A little touch we don't often find in houses, an elevator serving all 3 levels of the house. But the most interesting part is the living room just behind, offering a view of the entire Bay of Cannes. Here, the living room is 200 square meters with an external view of the entire Bay of Cannes, which is magnificent. Just behind me, a first sitting area with sofas, and all the decoration is from Fendi. Right behind, we have a first TV area. There will be another area for the TV and more specifically for the cinema, which I will show you a little later. And behind me, a small reading nook to be a bit cozier, a bit more relaxing. Of course, to have the view of the Bay of Cannes, you need huge bay windows. The glass weighs 300 kilograms. It's reinforced. There are 2 solutions to open it. Either you're very strong and want to push 300 kilograms with your arms, or you do like me. You press this little button and it opens automatically, since all the windows of the house are automated. And the Crystal Oyster is not the only one in the house, by the way. You should know that when you rent this house, a bailiff comes to do an inventory at check-in and check-out. He takes more than 3,000 photos of everything in the house to avoid losing anything, and it costs $3,000. 1,000 euros. Here we pass through a clearance area with a great view before arriving in the dining room, which has 14 seats. It can go up to 16 or even 18 seats, and in this room, especially with this magnificent view always over the Bay of Cannes, on this immense table there is no bad position, since even the person sitting here will have a superb view, as there are mirrors reflecting everything happening behind them. As a result, they can enjoy it while seeing the guests. It's very hard to get tired of this view. The house is available for rent in July 2023 for those who can afford it. In August, I won't give you a hint, but someone has reserved it for now. We continue with 2 crystal chandeliers just above the dining table, with the adjoining kitchen right behind, featuring a rather atypical space that I will show you right away. And here the main kitchen, and for those who don't like doing the dishes, I think this room will change your mind. Just behind these 2 doors, the chef's kitchen. If you feel like spending time in the kitchen, you have an immense stainless steel countertop. Everything is equipped by Gaggenau. It's really super beautiful, super spacious. It allows you to cook alone or even with others. Just behind me, the rest of the kitchen, which is fully equipped. Here, a work surface with plenty of room to make your little pâté sandwiches. Here, a space that is planned for a cold room, which will be arriving very soon. We are done with the main floor. We will now move on to the master bedroom, which is just above. A second more discreet entrance. Here there's still an elevator for the less athletic. And we arrive directly in the first master bedroom with the closet. On one side, the closet for the lady, on the other, the closet for the gentleman. At the end, we'll find the bathroom and then move directly to the master bedroom, an initial sitting area to relax while enjoying the view, as always here. The bed, similarly in the morning, you wake up and immediately have this superb view of the Bay of Cannes. Right here, the bathroom with Japanese toilets on the right. You should know that you can adjust the warmth of the seat, the warmth of the water jet, and also the pressure. Moving right along to this first bathroom, but it's not the most interesting of the 2. I'll show you the one in the second master bedroom, which is truly breathtaking. Onyx sink, onyx vanity, but especially the backlit onyx bathtub. You should know that onyx is a derivative of agate. It's really very pretty and quite costly to make. On the walls, there is a mosaic with extremely meticulous work to create this beautiful mosaic on the wall and hide behind this mosaic. A huge shower there, you can fit, I think, 4 or 5 people easily for a shower. Super practical. For the pool enthusiasts, there's even a small annex with your private room just above, allowing you to dive in and enjoy the view right behind you as soon as you wake up. The more than redhead coming to hydrate after a little dip in the pool is always about quality material, since, yeah, that's right, it's ostrich. So that's unusual. It's not a pole dance bar, it's a faucet. It must not be super convenient for brushing your teeth, but at least it's super original. And we're back on the lower floor. This is where all the bedrooms are. I'll show you only 2 of them, which are, in my opinion, the 2 prettiest, including one with a very unique bathroom and a bathtub that is very special. Look at this bathtub, it's huge. When I first got in, I was amazed. I'm 1.80 m, imagine the size of it. I'm going to lie down in it. I think clearly you could fit 3 or 4 people, which could be quite nice. The hallways are endless in this house. At least you can glimpse the billiard room. And here we enter a room that I really like, the cinema room. You'll see, it's something. And here we arrive at my favorite room. I think you'll understand very, very quickly why. I think we'll be back after a very short commercial break. And obviously, when you have a 2,300 square meter house, you have the gym that goes with it. Here we have all the basic equipment to maintain yourself comfortably with, well, lots of machines right here and here, the weights. Okay, I'm going to skip these because I did arms yesterday, so it's easier. And on the other side of the gym, there's a small sauna and a shower and a double shower. Indeed. We are back outside the house, which for me is the real advantage of this property. It is really very, very beautiful. To my right, the tennis court. Just above you here, the pool with the terrace, always with this view over the Bay of Cannes. And behind me, the setting sun. It's just superb. Here we are on the garden level. This is the garden that connects to all the bedrooms we saw earlier. Look at the distance there is. Just so you know, Naomi Campbell celebrated her birthday here. She set a table for 200 people. So you can fit more than 200 people on this lawn. It's just immense. On the summer kitchen with a huge marble table, 12 seats, enough to have a nice little barbecue. We always have the concept of mirrors to give a view to people who turn their backs to the landscape. And I think what I really like is that they cut the ceiling to make it straight. So the light fixtures are perfect. And I like when things are really square. Come on, I'll take you to the next part. Here, this is the most beautiful viewpoint of the house for me. We have the ground, the pool, the house appearing in the background. Just behind here, still the view of the coast. It's just magnificent. 2 days of filming to visit the entire house. We're almost there. I would like to thank the Figaro Properties once again for opening the doors of this place to us. I invite you to check the description on their website to see if there are other properties you would like me to visit, because we're going to make a lot of videos with them in the coming months. I would also like to thank Patrice and Alexis from Seawood Property. I invite you to follow the link to visit their website as well. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, activate the bell, leave a comment if you like this video, and especially subscribe on social networks, on TikTok, Facebook, on the Instagram page. And we'll see you very soon for a new video. Bye.